How to start growing vegetables at home. Growing vegetables is a hugely rewarding experience, and those homegrown crops taste so much better than any you get from stores. Growing offers a plethora of rewards on top of those tasty vegetables alone, as gardening can offer both physical and mental health benefits that come from having your hands in the soil. It can seem daunting to think of how to start a vegetable garden. So, where do you start to go from visualizing the vegetable garden of your dreams to making it a reality in your backyard? Well, nowadays there are so many places to look for inspirational vegetable garden ideas, including TV, books, and magazines, to social media platforms like Instagram and TikTok. Raised beds, containers, and single row beds are popular options that offer different advantages depending on your space and preferences. Here I am going to explain all three one by one, so you pick one or all three of your liking and need. Before we start the video, make sure to subscribe and click on the bell icon. Number one is the raised bed garden. Raised bed gardening involves building a contained area filled with soil above ground level. These beds can be constructed from a variety of materials, such as wood, bricks, or concrete blocks, providing flexibility in size and design. The raised bed offers several advantages, including improved soil drainage, better pest control, and easier access for planting, weeding, and harvesting. To start a raised bed garden, choose a sunny location. Prepare the soil by mixing in compost and other organic matter, and then plant your desired vegetables according to their specific spacing and sunlight requirements. Raised bed gardening is particularly suitable for areas with poor soil quality or limited space. On number two is the container garden. Container gardening is ideal for those with limited outdoor space or those who want to grow vegetables on patios, balconies, or even indoors. Begin by selecting appropriate containers with adequate drainage holes to prevent waterlogging. Fill the containers with a high-quality potting mix, enriched with organic matter. Choose compact or dwarf varieties of vegetables that are well suited to container growing, such as cherry tomatoes, lettuce, or peppers. Place the containers in a sunny spot and water regularly, ensuring the soil stays consistently moist. Additionally, feed your plants with a balanced liquid fertilizer every few weeks to promote healthy growth